Git is a free and open source version control system that allows you to track changes to your codebase over time. It was originally created by Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, in 2005, and has since become one of the most widely used version control systems in the world. Have you ever worked on a team project, only to realize that everyone's code is a mess and you can't keep track of who made what changes? Well, that's where Git comes in. It provides a way for developers to collaborate on a project, keep track of changes, and roll back to previous versions if something goes wrong. Git works by creating a local repository on your computer, which acts as a backup of your codebase. When you make changes to your code, Git will create a commit, which is essentially a snapshot of your code at that point in time. These commits are stored in the local repository and can be pushed to a remote repository, such as GitHub, where your team members can access them. Git also has a branching system, which allows you to work on different versions of your code at the same time. You can create a branch for a specific feature or bug fix, make changes to that branch, and then merge it back into the main codebase when you're done. But what really sets Git apart from other version control systems is its distributed nature. Every developer on a team has their own local copy of the codebase, which they can work on independently. This means that you don't need to be connected to the internet to make changes, and you can work on your code even if the remote repository is down. So, that's a brief introduction to Git. I hope this video has been informative and entertaining. If you're a developer, we highly recommend that you learn Git and start using it for your projects. It's a powerful tool that can help you and your team work more efficiently and collaboratively. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.